mix the cost of 100. Tell me her ex, I turn you on. After I dunk you when you're bestie, I'm tryna fuck your buddy. High as fuck, I tell me for shrooms. Her pussy get wet when I walk in the room. She wanna fuck in my room. My line if I play with balloons. No matter the state, I stay with some goons. Brain Charlie, he come home in June. She got the first of the month. I lay that towel down, I can't front. I got 300 in Atlanta. I bought dudes in my family. What am I through think I'm standing? Only fucking on bananas. Only fans, let's get it on camera. Do my turn, I can't forget Danny. 2 shots, she look like a candy. Been that shit over, she got a dung and broken sofa. Back on, I'm going sober. Freaky, I'm going choke her. Shit, I figured it out. I mean, I like her, she ain't a demon for clown. She play for the cleaner, my seat in her mouth, and she's taking. Dominican mix with Jamaican. I don't gotta tell her to shave it. That's beside her. I like her cadence. But I'm
this R8 is going crazy right now. This thing sounds insane. Oh my gosh. This thing gotta be twin turbo. Has to be. That thing has to be twin turbo. Has to be. There's no way. But people sleep on the C8s. Oh my god. That guy's out of here. Keep in mind, I'm in comfort mode right now. I'm not even in sport. So I'm really not even all the way turned up. I already know it's about to take off right now. That guy, oh my god. Twin turbo sounds insane, man. And it's crazy because like you always hear about those R8s, but those things are moving. Should I try to catch up to him or not? Because the dude's probably way out of here already. That guy's probably gone. Let's see. Oh, there he is. Of course. That guy is definitely gone. Oh my gosh. Those twin turbos sound insane, man. I really wish people could be here right now to hear it. He's all the way down there, but it sounds crazy. Sheesh. This definitely got to be a YouTube video. That's my favorite thing about having a dash cam. Sometimes if I don't bring my GoPro, at least I have this to kind of help me out, you know? Where'd he go? Did this guy leave already? It's like I can hear his car, but I can't see him. Yeah, that guy probably left already. Oh yeah, I see him. I think he's all the way down there. Yeah, that's definitely gonna be a YouTube video for sure. For sure.
The cost of 100. Tell me her ex, I turn you on. After I dunk you when you're bestie, I'm tryna fuck your buddy. High as fuck, I tell me some shrooms. Her pussy get wet when I walk in the room. She wanna fuck in my room. My line if I play with balloons. No matter the state, I stay with some goons. Brain Charlie, he come home in June. She got the first of the month. I lay that towel down, I can't front. I got 300 in Atlanta. I bought dudes in my family. What am I through think I'm standing? Only fucking on bananas. Only fans, let's get it on camera. Blew my twin, I can't forget Dana. 2 shots, she look like a candle. Been that shit over, she got a dunk and broke the sofa. Back on, I'm gonna soak her. Freaky, I'm gonna choke her. Shit, I figured it out, I mean her out. I like her cause she ain't a demon for clout. She play for the cleaner, my seat in her mouth. And she is taking Dominican mixed with Jamaican. I don't gotta tell her to shave it, that's beside her. I like her cadence, but I'm done. Pass her the paying, perky sex, it's amazing. She like Trish, but I like Quagan. I mix the cost 100. Tell me her ex a junkie. After I dunk you when you're bestie, I'm tryna fuck your buzzy. High as fuck, I tell her some shrooms. Her pussy get wet when I walk in the room. She wanna fuck to my tunes. My London vibe play the balloons. No matter the state, I stay with some goons. Pray trailer, he come home in June. She got the first of the month. I lay that towel down, I can't front.
I mixed the Henny with honey. She wants to say she love me. I put that dick in her tummy. I put that dick in her rip out the window. She said she a hoe. Can I say her I said I know. Shut up, baby. Suck it. It's steady her throat. Number one, I'm dead. She know. What she want and I'm liking it slow. And she coming, I'm grabbing her dope. And she know that I'm thinking they both good. She gon' under her body and I'm so good. Super stunning. She calling me stone cold when I stun her. This bitch, she a squirt, a creamer, and a color. I miss the 30 with the dirty. Like, that's a lean. The white cloud color purple. Never green. Said you got commitment for my friends. Like, what you mean? And Ben really wants a twin. Like, that's your ring. Celine, you look good. What you mean? From the hood. What you mean? I think that we should. It's a me. Body like I got us on my cheese. Take us to the choppers, put it in our screen. Boss it like I'm trying to fuck her out the keys. Gucci got me wild, what you mean?